Welcome students, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain the question and answers for the first unit, the last address of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. So for the first and second question, when and where did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, give his last address? For these two questions you have to write the answer that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, delivered his last address, or you can write sermon, on the 9th day of Zilhaj, 10th A.H. 632 CE in the Urana valley of Mount Arafat in Makkah. It was the occasion of the annual rites of Hajj. It is also known as the final pilgrimage. So for the third question, what is the third question? That what did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, say about the life and property of every Muslim? For the third question, you have to write the answer that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that whatever we human makes for ourselves in this world, property, honor, respect, it is all of value till we appear before Allah. He, peace be upon him, said that all this world not matter when we return to Allah. Just as peace be upon him was also known as Amin, the trusted one, all humans, if they are trusted, must return whatever they have been asked to take care of its rightful owners. This you have to write in your third question. So the question number 4 is, what are the drawbacks of taking in trust? So for this question you have to write the answer that Allah has mentioned 4 times in Quran and forbidden usury or in trust for each and every Muslim. So the main drawback of taking in trust is that righteous prohibition are predicated upon the belief that charging interest on a loan is a sin. Understood? So the fifth question is, why did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, give the last address? For this last question, you have to write the answer that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, gave his last address to mankind because after him no prophet or messenger will arrive and no new faith will be born. The main reason was to understand the words which he, peace be upon him, conveyed to us. So these were your questions. Now the next exercise is choose the correct options, choose the correct blanks. The first one is harm no, so that no one may harm you. Harm no one. Second one is, it is true that you have certain rights with regard to your with regards to your woman. An Arab has no superiority over non-Arab. Every Muslim is a to every Muslim. Every Muslim is a brother to every Muslim. Islam has set certain to every Muslim. Islam has set certain rights to every Muslim.